Hey YouTubers, this is Christian, and I'm making a video to talk about what's been happening in my life this week. The thing is, if you guys have been following my journey, I have lost too much weight. I'm 5'2". I was pretty much maintaining for a month at 104. And then I got sick, got a cold, I lost weight, I even went to 100, kind of freaked out. And I've listened pretty much to advices that I was given by YouTubers like French Orangina, Ben and Wendy, my doctor, as to eat rich food often, small quantities during the day to try to gain back that weight that I've lost. And let's be honest. Before my surgery, there were things that I couldn't eat um, that didn't agree with my stomach, anyways. Um, like rich food, battered food, um, and it's still not agreeing after my surgery. So, but I'm still pushing it because I do not wish to be 100 pounds. It's too thin, you know. So I've been eating mashed potatoes with gravy, battered food, fried fish, fried chicken, lots of cheeses, um, and I'm having so much problem with nausea. My nausea has increased. Before it was mostly at dinner time that I would feel that way, but now it's also at lunchtime time at work, and it's hard. It's very hard because I do feel, and I was like that also before my surgery, that if I was not digesting well, I I was lacking energy. I was feeling very tired, and that's what I've been feeling, especially since yesterday and today. I don't have energy because I feel that my digestion is taking a lot of energy, and um, the nausea, man, it's almost every time I'm eating. It's every time I'm eating, and since I'm eating several times during the day, uh, I'm not having fun anymore to eat. And if I'm saying that, that's big to say from me, because let's be honest, before this surgery, and still, um, after it was okay, let's say it like that. Food has been very, very important in my life. It was one of my biggest pleasure, biggest, yes, priority in my life. I wanted to reward myself, having a good time. Um, Food was my best friend, and I'm talking past tense because I'm not having fun eating anymore. I'm kind of resenting it that I need to do it, especially lately this week. I Man, it's hard. I every time I'm hungry, I'm like, oh no, I need to eat, and it's kind of weird to feel like that for something that I've loved so much in my life. So, anyways, I do not wish to lose weight anymore. I think I'm 103. We'll see tomorrow. Officially, it's my weight time. It's week 30 post-op gastric bypass tomorrow. I weigh myself and I talk about it every Sunday. We'll see, but I think I am like 103. But I don't know. Since I'm 103, I think I'll have to be cutting some fat out of my diet because I can't tolerate it. I don't want to cut all of it. It's just that I'm not feeling well because of that. It's taking a toll on me. So I think that this week will be my goal to yes, to continue eating often, protein first, but no greasy protein, no more greasy food. Anyways, it is to follow to see how I'm going to be doing with this regiment. What I've been trying to help a little is taking Hall's cough drops, the sugar-free one. I break some pieces and I take piece of it after I've been eating, and that helps a little bit, because I'm very nauseous and sometimes I feel like I'm going to throw up. I don't, but I'm really close, and I'm lacking energy. I'm like exhausted. So, anyways, if you guys have any suggestion as to what I can do, I'm wide open because I'm having a tough time with this. So, besides that, it's going well at work. Finally, I'm not on call this weekend, so that's good too. See, that's not a uniform. And it's warming up pretty good outside. So spring is, I think, is officially there. Another thumbs up. So if I can just have uh, a better outcome with my maintenance, that will be yes. So just to follow. So bring on the suggestion. I'm all ears. So kiss everybody. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow. Okay. Bye.